Good morning. We're going over to Oceana for breakfast. I'm still in my pajamas, however, Kevin has a swimsuit on. And we're drinking our emergencies. If you've watched previous videos, you would know we do emergency every morning and then a Pedialyte or a liquid IV right before bed. Looks like my pool concierge has arrived.
Running low on towels too.
We probably didn't put them all out yet.
That's true.
We're gonna hang out at the preferred pool today. I have some work to do this morning. Kev is gonna do horseshoes at 11, and then I should be back for bingo at 12. I think there's a ceviche making class today that I'm a little interested in. So should be a good day. We're playing a little bingo over at the Oceana pool, and they are the smallest bingo cards I've ever played on. And Francisco is going to bring us over a little snack, a little pico and guac, and some french fries. And the water is so beautiful today. Little chips, little papas fritas, little mango marg. I got a Don Julio and Fresca and a little bingo, and trying to figure out when we're gonna get massages. We didn't win bingo. We were really close to the last game. You just had to get the 4 corners, and we each had 3 of the corners. Didn't go. We wanted to do the Hobie Cat, but it was too windy again today, so we'll try tomorrow. So just at the preferred pool now. This seems to be the most lively out of the 3 pools.
'Cause you won't wait forever, so just hear me out. It is not like I don't want you, just scared to try. Even if the odds are in my favor, I just need more time. So if you wait just a little bit longer, I will treat you right. Treat you right, yeah. Feels like I'm starving, bring me something light. Feels like I'm starving, bring me someone light. Soon as I saw you.
Poolside nacho cart. I love nachos. This is like the best thing. We were just trying to decide if we were gonna get some food, and this is glorious. Ceviche class. I'm like 3 minutes late, but our Don Julio took a minute to get, so hopefully I'm not too late.
I don't even try, even try. You said you leaving tomorrow at dawn.
This is my type of activity.
With a view.
Yeah. Yeah.
But everyone says that it's obvious.
We got 2 El Jimadors and Fresca. We have drank the whole bottle of Don Julio. Here. Alright, look how gorgeous it is. The sun is just starting to set. It is about 6 o'clock. We are going up to the Sky Bar for a sushi roll and to see the sunset. We are supposed to be meeting some friends that we met at the pool today who described me as looking very fun, where if you actually knew me, I'm pretty boring, but it's not the descriptive that I would use. But we're supposed to meet upstairs at 6 o'clock. So let's see if they show. Tell me about your outfit this evening, Kevin.
My shirt is from Target and my shorts are from TJ Maxx. And I have my bands on that match blue.
You look very nice.
When you picked it up and bought it.
At 6:45 p.m. we have no friends that have joined us, but our sushi has arrived.
Brittney's fave.
You've been enjoying the steak sushi though.
Yeah, it's delicious.
Yeah. The Mexican market's back again. Oh no. No fumar. No.
Hola, señorita. This is the table, beautiful lady. So they no cover charge right here.
I love these. These are what I like.
The pier at night. Beautiful, the lights.
Came over to the disco for the first time. We did find our friends, and we met them around 7:30 p.m. We went over to the Mexican restaurant, had dinner with them, and some delicious Ferrero Rocher martinis.
By Carlos.
We stayed out late tonight, y'all. We went to Desires. We stayed till about midnight. We are going to bed. We'll see you tomorrow for day 4.
Good night.